Hello, I'm Jeff Stacer. I'm here to invite you to our next free family law workshop. We do it in person and via Zoom. It's going to be Wednesday night, October 6th from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. We've been doing these free workshops since 1990. The purpose is to give you a chance to come in for free to get your questions answered regarding family law or custody, visitation, parenting, support, property division. If you're thinking about divorce, to get information in advance and you want to know your rights. If you're in the middle of a catastrophic fight, how can you get out of it? Also, you hear about our mediation process. We've done over 4,000 mediations at really affordable prices. You can register for the free workshop at www.stacerlaw.com/register. That's stacerlaw.com/register. And you can learn also about my wife and the classes she does about parenting at www.parentsinconflict.com. She has online classes. She does Zoom classes every Tuesday night from 6:45 to 9. And she does individual consults. And so we're looking forward to seeing you at the workshop and getting your questions answered. See you then.